Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device and computer. Get iTunes up to date so the installer and device communicate properly. Once iTunes is current, plug the iPhone into the computer with a reliable cable and unlock the phone so iTunes can detect it. You may need to trust the computer on screen. Do that. If prompted about Find My iPhone, make sure it's off or that you have credentials. This avoids activation blocks later and speeds the update process. Once iTunes recognizes the phone, click the device icon and review the summary pane. This is where updates are managed. You should click Check for Update to let iTunes fetch the latest firmware metadata. Do not choose Restore because that erases data. When iTunes offers an update, select Update and explicitly decline any prompts that push you to create a backup. This keeps your current data intact while replacing the system files. Make sure your internet is stable so the download finishes without corruption. You now let iTunes download and apply the update. Keep the iPhone connected and avoid interrupting the process. After installation completes, the phone will restart and display setup screens. Follow prompts to confirm settings. If the update stalls or iTunes shows errors, force restart the iPhone and attempt the update again. This clears temporary glitches. If errors persist, enter DFU mode and reinstall firmware with iTunes as a last resort, because DFU restores the system but can be more complex.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.